Welcome to Weir Virtual Storytime for the week of November 27th, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is Fall. Leaf Man by Lois Ehlert. Leaf Man used to live near me in a pile of leaves. But yesterday the wind blew Leaf Man away. He left no travel plans. The last time I saw him, he was headed east, past the chickens. Toward the marsh, over the ducks and geese, a leaf man's got to go where the wind blows. He blew over the fields of pumpkins and winter squash, and flew over the turkey, past the potatoes, carrots, and cabbages in rows. Then he blew out of sight. Is he drifting west above the orchards? Or over the prairie meadows? And past the spotted cows? Well, a leaf man's got to go where the wind blows. Maybe Leaf Man's gliding on a lake breeze, or flying along the river, following butterflies going south. Well, a leaf man's got to go where the wind blows. He might even be traveling north above leaves that look like him, or flying over mountains with a flock of birds. When Leaf Man looks down on earth, is he lonesome for a home? This I do know. Where a leaf man will land, only the wind knows, so listen for a rustle in the leaves. Maybe you'll find a leaf man waiting to go home with you. The end. Okay, to make the leaf man, you need your have-to-go kit, glue stick, and inside your instructions on how to make it, on the back, is a sample layout on how to do it with the leaves that I've cut out for you. So we'll use that as a template. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and take your leaves out. You should have a bunch of leaves, 2 eyeballs, and a white pom-pom. The instructions say black, but my black ones never came in, so we're using white. And then a colored popsicle stick. So all we're going to do is glue this together. I suggest starting with the body. I'm going to put that up to the top. So I'm just going to put my glue on there. That's my body. Then I'm going to do my head, which is this one. And I'm just going to overlap it like this. So there's his head. And then we've got arms, which are the little ones. Out there. There's one. There's the second one. There's 2. We've got the legs, which are the big ones. Got 1. And these are going to overlap. And the hands and feet are just these little leaves. Let's put a little glue down there. There's 1 foot. Oops. all in the way. There's 2 feet. There's 1 hand. And there's 2 hands. So we have our leaf man. We just need the eyes and the nose. I'm just going to put some glue on the back of this and stick it on. Too much glue. Glue on the back of the second one. Stick that one on. Again, too much glue. And then some on the nose. This one's going to be a little harder to stick. Pom-poms always are. Glue on that and stick it there. And then you have a little stick puppet. Get up, stick puppet leaf man. Hello, hello. Look at my googly eyes.